and all the na voice and opay wow humano so asem no obeka no say.
Thank you. I think I say me that's for this opportunity. But first of all, I think you do be able. It's say any power mo yes and a woman him do mo ye. And they should never have done that. Right? Any power mo ye and they know me, they know it's me. However, woman wapa a yes either way. For whatever they want to achieve, Ghana for should make up their mind. Okay?
Okay.
The TN say, I said 2-3 weeks ago,
SOMPA,
and I was called to make a contribution and also to help in the discussion of a topic in Kofobi discuss. It was a good friend of mine, and they sent me a link, right? And I'm saying, okay. So they asked me, say, meet me about so, and then they asked me questions, and I share my opinions and my views. And I'm saying, why not? So I did. Now, we had about 3 hours of discussions on that end. 3 hours of it. And after 3 hours, on pay 5 minutes of it. And I'm going to go to tagging and say, Chairman Sambosu. It's quite unfortunate. Me to be honest, me bufu papa. So when I think a cocoa sacra, it's your mom, yes, I know. Matese, one more, essay, minim say, Mumu radio, maybe I'll be there and over. My statement, I'm going to Ghana, and Metia.
That's right.
Nimum, Sanko for yes, and one more should own up, say, woman, yes, I boniwe. Because it's still spreading. What you want now, Obi send bro, say, the chairman Sabuzuka. Right? Me who baby baby at Mampemwa, till say, me or him and the brain, me say, me say, me tear them say, this is me. Well, from United States, from South Africa, from United Kingdom, all over the world. Why should somebody do that? Why? Nipa yes, I can say what you as we in the Nicolas and you one. So, Chairman Sambosu, if you want to pursue them, Minister way a better. But if you want to pursue them, I can give the Nipa no more, me no more Kasa or Sadi with Omoyesano. I have a rough idea who they are. I can give it to him. So, but Adia a motivating me, Emma me Kasa, what is going on in our party?
That's right.
Right? Dear Kosono, I am appalled. Many are appalled. Yempe. Contest or more kono. A nipo more contesting, they are gentlemen. But one so-called spokespeople, nipe kasama wono, and I say one supporters, and send your more cano, yan here near party no more finish here. And that is what we should be condemning. The party top hierarchy also dominate from no more castle aspirants and someone will support us Nekano. Say we will hold you responsible for that. If you move in on your supporters, woman can someone a cousin papa a promote to party need. But what did they make answer?
Yeah, I get you. Go ahead, General.
Sad was a sad direction also echo. And if I said, Obia a party no, one would tear almost young down. In tearing opponent down, you are tearing the party also down. And they don't care about that one. None of them can go independent. None of them. Obviously, they want to ride a party's ticket. Now, if you want to do that, you need to make sure that the party stand. And so, we can we are say we support so there is nothing wrong so best support will be. Let me tell you, so if I was given the opportunity to vote in at the contest here, to be honest with you, I will be protesting with my vote. I will not vote for any of them. I will be protesting with my vote. Party needed.
In another breath, you said in the audio, sir, the party hierarchy. So man form na nsi form a no man nyai ne maybe omo yet to say It looks as if say almost all the aspirants, no. We are just want to know. Obedient to me, can be asem.
That's it. That is the thing. That is the thing. You see, Ghana politics. What I've seen, they say, people give money in. People give money to each other, right?
Yeah.
And in giving money, no, they think that buys your loyalty. And also, we just cannot accept to say, Sika de Amami, you bought my loyalty, and therefore, when you use car, someone car, men carry. So we are the enya men carry. And now, we because we are the enya no be car. What's the woman ma went to go to? Ya won't the bia. One can make one media expose you. Won't the bia. So it shouldn't be the case at all. It shouldn't be the case at all. Any form of vetting, some motivating committee anymore, and I will fail most of them. Wouldn't say most of them I will fail them. Whether you paid money or you give him money or you haven't given him money, it doesn't matter. There shouldn't be a link between you giving money and you having a post. There should never be that link. Because yes, sir, democracy is bringing it down. Ghana will not benefit from democracy. So, baby, I copy democracy free no. One more who donate to party. Contract may be. I have to be honest with you. United Kingdom, if you make a donation to party, your name is entered onto a list. So listen, it makes sure that you don't get a contract because it becomes a conflict of interest. So, sir.
And so I had the juicy ones.
And the certain is when UTA Ghana media monitor what they say and what they project. They all conscientize the public to believe say it's a normal thing. Say when a Jessica my delegates when a say into Thomas and one it shouldn't be the case at all. Because yes sir, you many rich people buying our power. Sikani and the power society money is a dangerous thing. It's a dangerous combination. Look at Mr. Trump. Wouldn't Mr. Shinawatra? Have you heard of him?
Shinawatra, yeah.
Mr. Shinawatra, he was the richest man in Thailand, over here, Prime Minister of Thailand. Wouldn't how it ended? Mr. Trump, the same. Politics and money. Any Donatiska, they normally stay behind. Now, wouldn't Joe Biden, his entire life, cousin was donated to the Democrat Party. But Ghana, the Yama people believe, even your share delegate, Moiska. I was here, we need to end that thing. But the party, the MPP party, the top party, I also don't want to see from. So, contest, at Sakurado, at Sek. No, was just short. Because you say the Baba. No, was very short. Within 2 weeks, like you not someone enough time to damage the party. This is the second and your
General, yes, sir. Hello.
Me too.
In the course of your discussion on the radio, you made mention, say the party has given too much room to the president to behave like almost a thing god. I will be to me and Putuno because
no, almost misrepresenting what I said. Mamin Koti exactly what I said.
Okay.
Wouldn't say shout it for me what?
It's a bro for Pakasa.
Good. You can say you've been fooled to believe. I said saying.
Yes,
believe that this is okay. I said saying.
Yama watching as a sako as I deal with a cost a kama.
Good. I said the president is been fooled to believe. Those who should be telling the president the party, the grassroots, and you're happy with this, with that, you know. The popular Musha president from time to time, they go there to praise him.
And Jacques said, "Oh my bootlickers and sycophants around him."
That's it. And no number you could do every day. No be a kind of president, you know. Because minister the president, who need time say who get ready. To be honest with you, also man, you have to trust people around you to tell you. So, and in our case, because you're part of the grassroots from all the way national, it is a sample information from Sosola, from Tiffany, from Kumasi Swami, from everywhere. There's sample information and do party head of. It's general secretary in the group. Chairperson, then come get paid this adjust.
Hello, General. Hello. Yeah. Otomenka. General, I'll call you back in a jiffy. Why? We have a little hitch. I'll call you back. Or just stay on for me. Don't go off. Why? Yeah, just stay on. A person for penny I'm in the chinkomoy. Or no, and the voice be told ya. Now out in the crowd him say, only chambers and no yase. But ya can say, Obino Obisa and just or your one. And you will look alike, you will resemblance. And then, and don't just say any panel. It is any panel no permanent din coma. And he's making very cogent analysis, bringing out issues within the party. Officer betimi ama MPP as a party. Ometo ba wie you omut Frank Atuni no. Na party no ase o nyina asai. And o say the president has been fooled to believe say all is well. Whilst at the same time no enema enko yese ne e was echo. Mami enwese general menya no bia. Hello General Otemenka. We'll get him back on the line now in the Chichin Komo. Now all discuss it, baby. One more channel now. Don't go for the one share. Omo money who potty. And then maybe a touch my party ni di hu yaw. Now when you try to one share, then so and some more catch you now quite to say. Omo money who said near my General, can you hear me?
Me talk.
Aha.
Difficulty.
Okay. Say okay. Koso me too.
Yeah. And then they say. At the end of the day, Sir President, one in penny for transfer. There was somebody from the party or honest, got to the movie. Now, sir, any party before the corner, also a sample honest view from the public, right?
Okay.
Through which means, whichever way. Now, sir, honest views, are cut across the country, everywhere. That is why we are a political party, because here were representation from every corner in the country. Woman, the catch and say, say ne koso. Say ne koso. Assume si nipa mpenasem. Assume si what to say. Assume si wo catch president. But some go kasa asem we na mo yi na ya. One mistake na nipa mpe e wo krom so ye no be sa mistake no. Wa bra nya for to. So, tell na akoso ma yakọ difficulty situation na. And so aspirants so and worse. So who bi no mo kasa obitimi kasa obitimi bi na no o say tia you me so sase me wate say I am a sika ekoje ye no and aspirant ne ba ko echiche asem we ye kan
there's a wow party na ugu na animo asio
course na wo kan asem we no party hierarchy no amfre no anka se kache asem we dey ba ne say no wa bokan party no amfred ne nipa a wodi achi anka se asemo wo be yakai why eti brabe yi ho no dabi wo fa no wadi na o ka se wo wi a e se du kete njo mahama o mu tie o wulim sa
okay
so eti wo hwe ne maye o bu hwe ne maye papa enye sa ye be wie no wo be wie ye kwa we don't want this well any fair contest obi anya is good Ghana, Obia ni one ma ya signed the to contract to be chinchina was on the president. It could be anybody. And now yes, Obi be Mwache and Obi be Muche any dear president. No. Mama example, what will UK Prime Minister?
Yes.
Oba Conservative Party, 6 years in here. Obi a Conservative Party for the past 40 years. Oba was 6 years in here. So, we be Prime Minister, they become a Prime Minister. Walk on the time no so be a member of Parliament. Or by no more appointing the Chancellor. So, and then we Kiastama or yet Labour Party leader or no bar party one can or be a member of Parliament. So, Eti Obia contribution is good. So, Utiminya president now we are is fine. When you can say contribute massively from whichever corner or and you say one year we did any BBN to 1 year ya for ya ma there BBN say no. Plus radio phone so no e mama Ghana phone believe say we a party coordinator, we a delegate, we a police station secretary, chairman in Yamanima. It means say I was say obi ma ska. E ma radio phone mo fa sa asem na she wo mutrim. E voluntary work. Party you make voluntary work, you don't get paid. Believe me, you believe party to say there will be some be believe what I say. Let me say I don't expect MPP to give me anything, but what I want me personally MPP want to say, and making sure say free SHS here Juma, and making sure say ID card Ghana for be without Ghana will never develop because but we ask my concrete so. It could be any home serious with development that only need system of ID. It could be anti-Sagana, Timia Timaya ID. This is what we should be protecting. So, yes, sir, friend saying health insurance in Mukena. Nothing, you're headed towards one day. You bet you have vulnerable people in Aka, disabled people in Aka. You bet you all pensioners, Nipa, at least 64 years and above Yabagiska. You bet you could do that direction. One day, Sabi, Nipa, or what you town. Sabi, the Momo form up down for no. Woman, you be your please treat him after baby, a more matana, near more Janidi, near Garon, near Shawon. And then I'm a person Ghana. That is why I told my support behind the party. So, it is a who support the party, and this is what we should be looking for. And yes, I talk amount. When you wait, and I will buy Winya, and you buy a Yashi, and I'm maybe buying a moving BB. As man, but we should not be encouraging that thing.
Okay.
Ghana, you know, say, go almost